Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to use stopwatch in Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, to use the stopwatch, okay, you'll have to do is tap the clock on your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, now you can see the option here on the top, the alarm, clock, stopwatch, and timer, okay? And okay guys, select stopwatch. And okay guys, here you can see the time is 00. And okay guys, to start the stopwatch, okay, you'll have to do is click the start button below to start the stopwatch, okay? To pause the stopwatch, okay, you'll have to do is click the pause button below. And okay guys, the stopwatch are paused. And okay guys, to resume again, okay, click the button resume. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, to create the lap on your stopwatch, okay, you'll have to do is click the lap. And okay guys, here you can see the first lap. And okay, to create the second lap, okay, click the lap button again. And you can see the second lap. And okay guys, to create the third lap, okay, click the lap button again and you can see the third lap. And okay guys, that's it for the lap. And okay guys, to resume or to reset the stopwatch, okay, you'll have to do is click the pause button. And okay guys, here you can see the reset button. And okay guys, to reset, okay. Okay guys, we have successfully reset the stopwatch. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.